Hello everyone. In this class, we will be learning about the ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? How to use the ChatGPT and who has introduced this ChatGPT. Followed by we can just learn basic prompt. Okay, that's we can discuss here. Search on OpenAI. Okay, so ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI. Okay, and ChatGPT is a AI tool. AI means artificial intelligence. So that will be used for in order to do a human task quickly. For that purpose we will be using AI tool. This ChatGPT was used to do daily uses, like if you want to work on some kind of task like mailing or creating the content for YouTube or some Instagram post or LinkedIn post, all kind of things you can do it using the ChatGPT. Okay, so once you get into that OpenAI, here you can see many services they will be providing. This is the ChatGPT, and other also they will be providing other AI tool also they will be providing you. Okay, so we will be learning about the ChatGPT. So just search here ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT. Sorry, GPT. So GPT full form is nothing but generative pre-trained transformer. That is what we will say GPT. Okay, just search that one. You will be getting this one, 82% match. So just tap on start now. Okay, I already signed up to the chat GPT. So it was asking direct to the login. So here we can ask the question. First, we will understand the prompts. Then we can understand about the chat GPT. Okay, what is prompt? So prompt is nothing but you will ask some question, some set of question to the AI tool, and you will be getting an answer from the AI tool. How you will be getting the answer? It depends on how how AI tool will be providing you the answer. It will be depending on the way you are asking the question to the AI tool. Suppose I will asking full form, full form of GPT. It will only suggest you. Okay, so generative pre-trained transformer, it was saying. Okay, so what it means, so how it will be working. So basically that developer have collected a huge amount of data, and they have trained to that data. According to that data set, ChatGPT will respond to us. Okay, so all kind of data. So suppose they will collect the question. If people will ask a question like this, what is AI tool? They will collect a question and as well as corresponding answer also they have collected for that. Then they will be training that all kind of question and answer using some other ML and deep learning techniques they will be using. Then they will train the model. Once the model is done, they will deploy it. So once the deployment is done, there the people will be using. So they will ask a question. Okay, this is for natural languaging process. This one will be used for natural languaging process purpose. It means, so how the two people or two human being will be interact with each other, like that it will be interacting with us. Okay, so here you can see I can do the conversation also with ChatGPT. I'll just tap on this one. Okay, continue. Start the voice. You can choose the voice as well as which voice you want. You can choose. So here you can choose the voice, which voice you want, you can choose it. Hi,
Hey there, how's it going?
can you explain about AI?
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the field of computer science focused on creating systems that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence.
Can you
These
explain
tasks.
in one sentence, please,
Sure, what would you like me to explain?
about AI?
An AI, or artificial intelligence, is a system or machine designed to mimic human intelligence. It can learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. Anything specific you'd like to know more about?
That sentence should be less than 20 words, please.
Sure thing. AI mimics human intelligence to learn from data and make decisions. Anything else you want to know?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, this is how you can do interaction with the ChatGPT also. Yeah, the way you will ask the question, it will respond to you, and they make real-time interaction. Like whenever I was doing conversation with, it will listen. Okay, once I stop, it will start interacting with me. Again, if I started conversation, whatever it was do conversation, it was with me, it will stop there and it will continue the conversation after once I end my conversation. That's why I interrupted again and again that ChatGPT. So like this, we can do many kind of things using ChatGPT. Okay. So in the ChatGPT, we have many modules also. I'll just make a new chat here. I'll just make a new chat. Okay. So here it was suggesting you have hit the free plan limit. So GPT 4.40 it will be there, and mini also will be there. Okay, mini also will be there. Two things will be there, free subscription. So in that I have done this free. I have exceeded limit, so it was not showing me the things. So I need to reset it later. So I will continue these things in the next class. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.